Hello friends, welcome to next video. In this video we are going to see derivative of inverse trigonometric function. First inverse trigonometric function is sine inverse of x. If y is equal to sine inverse of x and x lies between -1 to 1, y lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then we have to prove that derivative of y with respect to x is given by 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square, where mod x is less than 1. To prove this, we have given that what is given, y is equal to sine inverse of x, where x lies between -1 to 1 and y lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, here if y is equal to sine inverse of x, we can write x is equal to sine of y. What is derivative of sine of y? Differentiate with respect to y. Derivative of x with respect to y is dx by dy. Derivative of sine y is cos y. Now we all know the formula that cos square y plus sine square y is equal to 1. If we transfer this sine square to RHS, what will we get? Cos square y is equal to 1 minus sine square y. Okay, now what will be the value of cos y? By taking square root, we will get cos y is equal to 1 minus sine square y. By using this here, we can write cos y as under root of 1 minus sine square y, and as we taking square root, this value will be plus minus. Okay, now what is the value of sine y? Sine y is x, therefore this will get plus minus under root of 1 minus x square. This is the value of dx by dy. Now we have given that y lies in between, since y lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now where is pi by 2? Here is angle pi by 2, here is minus pi by 2, and as y lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, it means that it lies in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, and we know that all trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant and cos is positive in fourth quadrant. Therefore y is positive. Okay, cos y is positive in first and fourth quadrant. Therefore we can write it as dx upon dy is equal to positive 1 minus x square. Why? Because cos y is positive. And now we have theorem that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. By using this theorem, we can write it as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and this is what we have to prove. Now similarly, you can find derivative of cos inverse x, which is given by dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Now third trigonometric function is tan inverse of x. If y is equal to tan inverse of x, where x belongs to real number and y lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus, then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, given क्या है? Given is that y is equal to tan inverse of x, where x belongs to real number and y lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. सेम प्रोसीजर फॉलो करनी है. एज y इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ x, we can write x is equal to tan of y. Now differentiate with respect to y. Dx upon dy is equal to, what is derivative of tan y? That is sec square y, and sec square y, and we know the formula sec square y minus tan square y is equal to 1. Okay, that is sec square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y. Therefore I can write sec square y as 1 plus tan square y. Now what is value of tan y? That is x. Therefore I can write 1 plus x square. This is value of dx upon dy. Now we have the theorem dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. With the help of this we can write it as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, and this is what we have to prove. The derivative of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Similarly, you can find derivative of cot inverse of x given by dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Fifth trigonometric function है sec inverse of x. If y is equal to sec inverse of x such that mod x is less than 1 and y lies between 0 to pi, y is not equal to pi by 2, then dy by dx is equal to positive 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1 when x greater than 1, and second one is negative 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1 when x is less than minus 1. Okay, given क्या है? Given है y is equal to sec inverse of x and mod x is greater than equal to 1 and y lies between 0 to pi and y is not equal to pi by 2. Okay, same procedure follow करनी है. As y is equal to sec inverse of x है, we can write x is equal to sec y. What is derivative of sec y? Differentiate with respect to y. Therefore dx upon dy is equal to sec y into tan y. Now we have formula sec square y minus tan square y is equal to 1. Therefore sec square y minus 1 is equal to tan square y. By taking square root, tan y is equal to plus minus under root sec square y minus 1. Use this value here. What we will get? Sec y into under root of sec square y minus 1. ये positive and negative here. Okay, but value of sec y is x. Therefore plus minus x under root of x square minus 1. Since क्या given है? y lies between 0 to pi. In coordinate axis, here is 0, here is pi. Y lies from 0 to pi. It means that it lies in first and second quadrant. In first quadrant, sec y and tan y are positive. Okay, therefore multiplication of sec y into tan y will be positive. In second quadrant, sec y and tan y are negative. Therefore sec y into tan y will get again positive. Okay, because multiplication of negative is positive. ऑल्सो क्या गिवन है, मॉड एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1, मॉड एक्स इज greater than equal to 1. If we consider x greater than 0, then RHS also greater than 0 with positive sign. How? Here if we consider it x greater than 0, then obviously this term is going to be greater than 0 with positive sign, and if I consider x less than 0, then RHS is greater than 0. Why? If this is negative but square of a negative term is positive, therefore it is going to be greater than 0, that is a positive term, and this minus sign gives that the negative sign. ओके, क्या होने वाला है, अगर x 0 से ग्रेटर हो जाएगा तो ये टर्म ऑब्वियसली ग्रेटर देन 0 हो जाएगी, एंड बिकॉज ये स्क्वायर है. सेम वे अगर ये निगेटिव भी हो जाएगा, लेस देन 0 मतलब क्या है, निगेटिव, लेकिन यहाँ पे स्क्वायर होने की वजह से निगेटिव टर्म का स्क्वायर जो होता है वो पॉजिटिव होता है, इसकी वजह से ये टर्म क्या हो जाएगी, ग्रेटर देन 0 हो जाएगी. लेकिन इसकी वजह से अगर ये ग्रेटर देन 0 रहा तो पॉजिटिव साइन आ जाएगा, और लेस देन 0 रहा तो नेगेटिव साइन आ जाएगा. ओके, देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट dx अपॉन dy इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 पॉजिटिव एंड माइनस x अंडर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 when x इज ग्रेटर देन 0. पॉजिटिव कब है, x ग्रेटर देन 0 होने के बाद, एंड व्हेन x लेस देन 0 है तब क्या है, निगेटिव है. ओके, एंड वन कंडीशन है x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 मॉड x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1. ये दोनों को मिलके क्या मिलने वाला है हमें, x ग्रेटर देन 1. ये दोनों कंडीशन अगर कंबाइन करें तो क्या हो जाएगा, x ग्रेटर देन 1, एंड ये दोनों कंडीशन कंबाइन की जाए तो क्या हो जाएगा, x लेस देन माइनस 1. नाउ दिस इज dx अपॉन dy बाय यूजिंग थ्योरम dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. We can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1 when x is greater than 1, and minus 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1 when x is less than minus 1. Here we have proved the derivative of sec inverse of x. Similarly, you can prove the derivative of sixth trigonometric function, that is cosec inverse of x. Okay.